I am going to explain the complete formula of electricity. The first formula is I equal to Q upon T. I will explain with the help of definition. The first formula is I equal to Q upon T. With the help of formula, you can also learn the definition. I equal to Q upon T means rate of flow of charge. The rate of flow of charge is known as current. Means charges flow through the conductor per unit time. Charges flow through the conductor per unit time. Charges flow through the conductor per unit time is known as electric current. So I equal to Q upon T, where Q is the charge, T is the time, I is the current. तो फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन है आपका चार्जेस फ्लो थ्रू द कंडक्टर पर यूनिट टाइम इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रिक करंट आई इक्वल टू क्यू अपॉन टी. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट है पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. व्हाई चार्जेस फ्लो बिकॉज ऑफ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. तो व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस? वर्क इज डन टू ब्रिंग द यूनिट चार्ज. Work is done to bring the unit charge from one point to another point is known as potential difference. Work is done to bring the unit charge from one point to another point in the electric field is known as potential difference. Means V equal to W upon Q. And third formula, that is Ohm's law. V equal to Ri. At a constant temperature, current flowing through the conductor. At a constant temperature, current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. That is V equal to Ri. अब next है fourth, the resistance. Factors on which resistance depends. What are the factors on which resistance of the conductor depends? Resistance of the conductor depends on length. Means resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. Resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. Resistance is inversely proportional to the cross section area of the conductor. Means as the cross section area increases, resistance will decrease, and cross section area will decrease, then resistance will increase. In combined form, resistance is directly proportional to L upon A. Resistance equal to rho L upon A, where rho is constant known as resistivity. So it is the fourth formula. Fifth formula is in series arrangement. In series arrangement, for doing the numericals, you have to learn the three properties in your brain. Means in series arrangement, the total current in the circuit are equal at every point. Means I equal to I. Next is R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Means total resistance is equal to sum of the individual resistance. Total resistance is equal to sum of the resistance of individual resistors. Next is V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. In parallel arrangement, you have to learn the three laws. I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, and potential difference equal at every point, and 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Next formula is P equal to W upon T. Means rate at which electricity consumed in electric circuit. Means जिस रेट से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट में कंज्यूम होगा, दैट इज नोन एज द इलेक्ट्रिक पावर. P equal to W upon T, and you know W equal to VQ. Here W equal to VQ. Then Q upon T equal to I. Q upon T equal to I, then P equal to VI. अब according to Ohm's law, you know V equal to Ri. Now we put the value of V, Ri, I into I square, W equal to Pt and W equal to heat produced and H equal to I square RT. It is also known as Joule's law of heating. And next is change 1 kilowatt hour into joule, that is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Then 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt, 1000 into 60 into 60 seconds. So it is the watt second, and you know 1 watt second equal to 1 joule, that is 1 kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule, and 1 kilowatt equal to 1 unit. This is the complete formula of electric current.